Here I have a nice long AV lead, 3 phonos on that end, 2 channels for audio, 1 for video, and that's the fitting that goes into my little camera. As I say, it's a nice long lead, so very handy. The video I put up yesterday, some of you didn't get any sound. Well, there's a reason for that. If we go on whichever one it is, that phono and there, you have continuity. If we go on that phono and there, now that explains why some of you didn't get sound. If you was watching it on a computer, you'd have realised that one channel had gone down, depending on which way round I plug my audio leads. If you was watching it on a smartphone without headphones, you may have got no sound at all. So you're better off watching my vids on a computer than a blinking smartphone. Anyway, that's the reason. So I've now got to, there's no way I'm going to try and repair that damn thing. I'm not going to get, which is essentially 6 wires soldered onto one of those things, not at my time of life now. And they're relatively cheap, so I'll buy another one. But that explains the intermittent fault with sound. I've had this before. I'm never quite sure which, where the problem was. But it's developed to the stage where we know where it is now, it's in there. So, carrying on from yesterday, I mentioned I had quite a few clocks. This is quite a nice one. It's made by Blessing, West Germany, and well, it's an analog digital. Let's see if I can move this. And it's an alarm clock also. And it works like the automatic calendars on desktops. But there's something rather pleasing about this. I don't know what it is, but it's a conventional mechanical alarm clock. I just thought it was a bit different. Perhaps you've seen one before. This little carriage clock I picked up at a boot sale, just for a few quid. It's one I've got to work on, but it's very, very heavy. It's not a real carriage clock, not an antique one. I use the word advisedly, but it's sort of modern. And when I say modern, that's not really the word I wanted to use. The door hinge is broken. That little pin at the other end, but you can see everything is thick brass. And that's a mechanism you won't see very often. And look what it says there. 1.4 volt Mallory ZM9 or an Eveready E9. I don't think you've seen one of those before, have you? Well, that's rather nice. I'll get round to doing that one day.